Fourth one is they build it, they test it. Agile is renowned for forcing testing early in the life cycle of the development process. Many agile thought leaders implemented unit testing and acceptance testing frameworks into the base agile technical practices. Concurrent testing is a cornerstone practice of agile and is primary reason why quality is significantly higher in agile without sacrificing developer productivity. Philip Cruichen once described architecture as take away everything in the system. You don't need to describe how it works, and what you have left is its architecture. So, how do you test architecture? You simply test how the system works without the details. In other words, testing architecture involves testing the system stability to meet its large scale functional, operational, performance, and reliability requirements. To do this, teams must build an infrastructure that enables testing because testing represents complexity at its highest level. The team that codes the system must be the team that determines how to test the system. With the complexity of today's automation framework, developers are likely to be directly involved in applying testing automation. It is the responsibility of the development team to develop, test, and maintain a system testing framework that continually assess the system's ability to meet its architecture and functional requirements. This responsibility cannot be given to any other testing resources or outsourced function.